Worried about trader cartels pushing up onion prices, the centre asked for the politically sensitive vegetable to be brought under the Essential Commodities Act so that farmers can sell it anywhere and not just in mandis. But the first state government to resist the move is Maharashtra, which produces a third of all onions in India. The state claims it's because farmers don't have an alternative to mandis. But as NDTV's Truth versus Hype reports from the onion belt of Nashik, the real reason could be the deep involvement of politicians of Maharashtra's ruling party in the mandis, in whose interest it is to keep prices high, especially in an election year.
An hour from Nasik, farmers line up to sell their onions at one of India's biggest mandis. In a year, nearly 6 million tons pass through these mandis. The prices determined impact all of India. And yet, as we saw firsthand, the auction conducted only by a handful of traders. The price, it seems, already determined.
उसका तय रहता है, व्यापारी पहले तय कर रहे थे आज क्या भाव पुकारने का, कल क्या पुकारने का है, उनकी यूनियन रहती है वो, उसके आगे वो जाते ही नहीं हो.
It's for this reason that the centre asked onions to be taken out of the mandi so it can be sold anywhere, a move Maharashtra rejected. They claim it's because farmers won't have anywhere to go. Every single one of Nasik's onion mandis are dominated by politicians, mainly of the Congress and the NCP. All the more crucial in an election year, given that the mandis are a source of both funds and political patronage. Dilip Bankar, ex-MLA of the NCP and chairman of the Peoplegaon Mandi, has built a brand new market yard named after Sharad Pawar.
शरद पवार के नाम ने किया. ये ऑफिस बना है. ये कब हुआ? ये उधर आए थे, उधर मार्केट के अंदर जो प्रोग्राम थे ना, उधर जितने भी मिनिस्टर है ये आ चुके.
At Nasik's other big onion mandi, the chairman is from the Congress. आपका जो इलेक्शन हुआ, आप कांग्रेस से जुड़े हुए, आप कांग्रेस से हैं. इससे पहले जो थे
वो राष्ट्रवादी के थे,
वो एनसीपी के थे.
एनसीपी के.
और आपके जो सारे मेंबर्स हैं वो ज्यादा एनसीपी के हैं?
नहीं, वैसे कुछ नहीं. उसमें कांग्रेस के हैं, शिवसेना के भी हैं.
अच्छा, शिवसेना के भी.
ये देखो, ये जो कोऑपरेटिव का जो पॉलिटिक्स चलता है वो पार्टी के ऊपर नहीं चलता.
All parties are there. Congress
All
भी है,
parties are
शिवसेना
there.
है. Both claim that prices will rise because of an unseasonal hailstorm earlier this year.
जनवरी से फरवरी तक, मार्च तक हमारे इधर क्लाइमेट बहुत खराब था.
अच्छा.
बारिश हो गई, कहीं ओले गिर गए, कहीं क्लाउडी नेचर था, और ये बहुत सेंसिटिव क्रॉप है, बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट
तो उससे क्रॉप डैमेज हुआ आपके?
क्रॉप डैमेज हो गया है.
But Maharashtra, despite that, has seen an increased output of 1 million tons, pushing India's onion harvest to a record 19 million tons. Many are asking, with Maharashtra assembly elections around the corner, are these politicians acting in public interest or in the interest of onion traders? ये तो फिर एमएलए बन जाएंगे. He'll be become an MLA.
जरूर बनना चाहिए. ऐसे आदमी ने तो पहले बनना चाहिए, ऐसा हमारा निवेदन.
और बनेंगे.
आप सबको आपका सपोर्ट है इनका?
पूरा व्यापारी का सपोर्ट काका जी के साथ है.
With Neha Masi and camera person Sanjay Mandal, Srinivasan Jain in Nasik for NDTV.